Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about mouthwash. And mouthwash is one of the oral hygiene items that gets forgotten. Everyone packs a lot of toothpaste away. They pack a lot of dental floss, and they pack the toothbrushes, and they store all that, and they generally forget about mouthwashes. So mouthwash is something you may want to consider. And there are different types, and I'm not going to go into all of them, but there are different types. Some have higher alcohol content, others have practically no alcohol, and then there's other medicated ones that were big back in the day, and because they are also very safe for you to use. One that comes to mind is ST37, and you can still get it today. But mouthwashes are one of those things that people overlook because, excuse me, that people overlook because they just don't think about it. When you're out doing stuff and working around, and you're, if you go and snack something, and you don't have to go and spend, time brushing your teeth. Get a little swig of mouthwash, and your breath feels fresh again. Also, during those romantic times, you might want to consider having some mouthwash on hand because, hey, who wants to kiss someone that smells like they kissed the south end of a northbound dog? Basically, bad breath can be really a mood killer at certain times. So think about it. Check into the different mouthwashes, find out which one works best for you, which one do you like the flavors of, and stock up on some. Alrighty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, dental care, and keep adding to your skills as well. Why? Well, this is why.